Hi, I'm Peggy Laborde with another Carnival Close-Up as I share some history and memorabilia from my own Mardi Gras collection. The increasing worldwide popularity of postcards in the early part of the 1900s coincided with New Orleans' increasing popularity as a destination for visitors. It's no surprise that Mardi Gras was well documented. Canal Street, with its great width, was a favorite place, of course, to watch the rolling tableaus. And these postcards from the early 1900s, you can see that locals initially dressed in their finery to greet wrecks on Mardi Gras. By the 20s and 30s, more costumes are being worn. Carnival Day apparel included homemade clown outfits. The floats were pulled by mules until 1950. On any other day, the mules pulled the garbage wagons. From 1933 to 1970, the city even had an official decorator, Betty Fitton, who adorned the light standards on Canal Street. In this rare postcard on Mardi Gras morning, King Zulu is shown on his float after arriving in a tugboat on the now filled-in New Basin Canal. Waiting for the Zulu and Rex parades to arrive, postcards give us a nostalgic glimpse into carnivals from the past. That's this week's Carnival Close-Up. More to come throughout the season here on WYES' Facebook and YouTube pages. Thanks for watching.